Hello, welcome to Print Digital U. We'll be talking about all the how-tos you need to know for your DTF printer. This video will cover how to load film, daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, as well as quarterly maintenance. Part 1. How to load your film. First, loosen the lower system and place film. Make sure it is centered and tighten it. Go under the first bar and pull it up to the platform. Center the film. You can use a ruler to help. It should be around 2.25 inches away from the left and 2 inches away from the right. Then, pull the handle to lock the film in place. Once it's locked, go ahead and press the back button on the control panel. Here's another chance to make sure the edge of film is aligned with 0 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Pull handle up and make adjustments. Once aligned, push handle to lock film in place. Keep pressing back button to feed film. Go under the glue cylinder, but make sure to go on top of the bar and the spinning bar. Open the front door. Pull the end piece of film and feed the film behind the tension roller and place it through the weighted metal roller. Push weighted metal roller down to secure its position. Go under the first bar and attach the film to roll with masking tape. Turn on the printer take-up reel with on and off switch on the right side. Tighten it by turning clockwise. Lastly, place media guide to secure film. Part 2. How to do daily maintenance cleaning. You will need DTF cleaning solution and foam tip stick. Pour cleaning solution into a squeeze bottle for better amount control. Wet the foam tip with solution. Move print head to left by pressing the left button. Clean the wiper blade and edge of both ink cap with the wet foam tip stick. This removes residual ink from the surface of printer nozzles. The leftover ink on nozzles might result in unwanted marks on printed film. Press X reset button to return print head. Then press clean, under 2 head all. Press clean weak every day. If it is still clogged, try clean medium and strong. Part 3. How to refill ink. When the light is flashing, it means that color's ink need to be refilled. Simply open the cover and cap. Pour ink until 90% full. Close the cap and cover. Part 4. How to do weekly maintenance wet cap. Press left button to move print head. Pour DTF cleaning solution onto the ink cap without spilling. Do not use clean function as it will drain all the cleaning solution into the waste bottle. Wait for a day after doing wet cap. However, normal daily cleaning of the edge and wiper blade can be done. Then return the print head by pressing X reset. Part 5. How to do quarterly maintenance heating tunnel check. Inspect heating tunnel for any loose debris. Part 6. How to do quarterly maintenance glue cleaning. Take the glue powder tray out from the side. Use a powder sifter to filter out the clumps. Throw out excess. Use a brush to brush the glue powder down towards the bottom. Make sure to clean the sensor and no glue powder is blocking it.